Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So as a YouTube content creator, the most important part of your video production quality is not the video. It is actually the audio. So that's why today I'm going to be doing a review on the Rode VideoMicro, which is what I use for my Panasonic G85 camera. Now, before I actually got my camera, I was using my smartphone to do all my videos. And for that, I didn't think I really needed a microphone. And even when I got the Panasonic G85, I kind of thought the audio, the internal audio, already sounded better than my phone. So I didn't think this would make much of a difference. But wow, this makes a huge difference in so many ways. And I'm going to show you that today. So right now, I'm actually using the mic on my camera indoors. And so after this, I'm going to show you how this sounds just using internal mic. And then I'm going to go outside to compare the audio quality there. And so now I'm testing this just using the internal microphone on the Panasonic G85. And overall, it should sound good as long as there's not a lot of noise. And at the same time, you'll probably hear some reverb as well. Now we're actually going to go ahead and test this outside. So right now I'm testing this out with the internal mic on the G85. As you can see right here, here is my mic not connected. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and try this with the mic connected. And so this is the Rode VideoMic Pro connected versus using the internal mic, and it should sound better. There should be less noise, the volume should sound better, and overall the quality of the audio should be better versus just the internal mic by itself. So that is my review of the Rode VideoMicro compact microphone. I feel that this is the best budget microphone out there, and at a price of around $59 US, this is one of the best investments that you can make. Especially if you are currently not using any type of microphone, or maybe using some more less expensive options, or maybe some of the lapel mics. I have those as well. The quality of this is going to be so much better, especially if you use this outdoors where you have a dead cat that blocks so much of that noise. And even when I think about the more expensive options, I really feel that for what you're getting here, the great audio quality, and it's very compact, you don't need any type of external batteries, it's really hard to compare against this because it does so much and it's very easy to use. And about the only negative thing that I could think about this microphone is the actual dead cat. It comes off really easily, and so if you're outdoors in very windy environments, be sure to grab a hold of that or you might lose your dead cat. And so that is my overall review. If this is a microphone that you wanted to get and you wanted to support the channel, I will leave an affiliate link in the description area below. And if you actually want to see my very first unboxing of my Panasonic Lumix G85 camera along with the microphone, I will also leave that in the description area below. And so if you had any thoughts on this, whether you have this microphone yourself or whether you actually had your own microphone of preference for your video recording needs, I would like to know that. Leave that in the comments area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.